In this video, I'll show you how to enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, scroll down again and tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log. Tap on Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log. You will now see options such as Disable, Filtered, and Enabled. Select Enabled to turn on Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log. When enabled, your phone will record Bluetooth HCI packets and save them for troubleshooting and analysis. This feature is mainly used by developers and advanced users to diagnose Bluetooth connection issues, monitor Bluetooth activity, and debug Bluetooth devices. Keep in mind that enabling Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log may generate additional log files and use extra storage space over time. If you no longer need this feature, simply return to Developer Options and set Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log to Disabled. That's it! You can now control Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log from Developer Options on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.